Hello, Michael Food and Barbecue. Welcome to my griddle. Today I'm gonna be making a dish which is a little bit of a retribution for the dish I made the other day with cauliflower rice. A few of the people watching it said, well, you should have had some meat in there. So I figured I'm gonna make a similar dish today. Anyway, tag along and I'll show you what I'm gonna use. Okay, so what I have some shaved beef, some spinach, some we call them forest mushrooms. They're button mushrooms, which are a little bit brown. I've got some Chinese cabbage, some cauliflower rice, some shrimp, and I'm going to be using this barbecue spice I found in the store today. It's called citrus, so it should be a little bit lemony, I guess. Anyway, I'm going to move the camera and show you the work on the griddle. I'm going to be using a stir-fry oil. This one is garlic infused because I like it. It's not Sangs because I can't get there. Anyway, the beef I'm using today is actually frozen, so I'm going to start off by putting that over here. Just going to spread that out and get a little bit of color on it. I'm going to start frying the Chinese cabbage. Just going to put that on like so. Put that over here. I think we have just about enough room to put some mushrooms on. Doesn't really matter if anything gets mixed or if I get it the wrong way, because it's all going to be mixed in the end anyway. There we go. Just going to break these up into little pieces. This of course went a little bit faster than I had anticipated, but that's okay. Move that to the side, and then we're going to open up this spice. It smells really, really nice. It's called citrus. Okay, so we're going to apply that liberally to everything. Something like so. I'm going to move this over to the side and start with the cauliflower rice. Just like last time, I just used a food processor to break up the florets from flowers or whatever. Mix these together now. I have the ready stuff in the back here. This griddle, I think I mentioned it before, but since this is a Spirit gas grill originally, it's got 3 burners and they're running lengthwise like so. And now I've got the front one and the middle one. This one is on high, this one is almost high, and that one is on low, just to keep this cooking a little bit. Tell you, this smells really nice. Time to flip this over. Getting a little bit dry. Adding a little bit of oil. I think I'm going to put a little bit of seasoning on there. It doesn't look like it's enough. The Chinese cabbage is starting to go translucent, so I think it's time to start frying the rest of the stuff in it, getting it in there. Just gonna add the spinach. I don't want that to cook down too much. We need a little bit of oil and the shrimp. These shrimp are pre-cooked, so they don't really need that much time. Shrimp was frozen as well, so just need to thaw them out. Think we need? Yeah, you got it. A little bit of spice on the shrimp as well. I had some before, but you can never have too much, can you? It's really nice here today. And the day after tomorrow we're expecting temperatures in the 60s or 70s almost, 68 or whatever it was. So I guess the prolonged winter that we thought we were going to have didn't really happen. Time to mix this together. There we go. I'm just going to put this little pot. I don't have one with a handle like a couple of other channels do, but this one will work just fine for me, I think. Oops. It's going to get warm. That's good enough. I'm going to give that a couple of minutes to steam. There we go. Let's see what we have. Yeah, this actually looks done. Time to bring it up on a plate. And there we go. Doesn't it look nice? I'm going to give this a taste. There we go. Some shaved beef and shrimp stir fry on the griddle with cauliflower rice. And citrus flavor. This was really, really good. I would recommend anyone to do this. This was actually very, very good. I'm going to eat it. Thank you for watching. Bye.